Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to be talking about one of your newer favorite artists, you to them called Skeng. Telling already say, a termite boy. You know, she said, him got actually dropped the song calling himself termite boy. People are sending a message. See that? The general, this your general. That's what people are talking about. I'm gonna go check it out. Skeng actually calling himself termite boy. I'll mention the little YouTuber. I wanna go on. Come have a Skeng video planned anyway, so I'm gonna just merge the two in one. I'm gonna play a next video. Right, another one here. I'm gonna show you. So the same Skeng way. Them said, the man bridging in my body sting in the streets, kick on all police, JCF, one of the most weird war police anywhere they ain't gonna not tell that off for nobody. I show no him behaving in front of village road police. I'm telling you, say, right, enough Ironman tell you, say them bad and they mean and they wild and they unruly. And they go in front of village road, but you know what? Right, but then turn into well-behaved children. I'm gonna play that video there for now, just so they can contrast and compare. No, you know, so I can't play the song. I would love to, but I'm sure them are gonna go file copyright claim and all kind of things. And as you know, like we say, we're still up on probation. Even though we win the appeal already up on the one video, we're still under probation. So, right, we say, you walk, right, I've got under scrutiny. And I say, I can't play the song. Show no, man, the song on the screen, only can go listen to it for yourself. Song named Menace. Warning, graphic warning. Make sure you put it on a BCC, that's the brain cell condom. And I listen to them song. When I listen to them artists, I put it on the BCC. And I have to protect when the brain cell because I might lose a few. I say dancehall. I listen to the song them and I see people that jump up and people that try to tell me say the song them good and the song them this and that. But it look like my ears them officially washed up. I can't see what I see and I can't hear what I hear. And it's an artist, no matter how much money you pay the blogs them, they post on the music and make them try hype it up and try to tell people say this. After a while, when you really listen and listen, I say, what is me I listen to? I take off all the BCC, take out the brain cell condom and dash it in the garbage bin and light all the garbage bin. But music evolve, music always evolve. And then I guess, I finally reached the dinosaur stage where I just don't get it. But as I say, Skeng, one of the new big artists them, so. And that the people them say, so them are gonna say, hey, I mean, the man bad man, the man one of the hottest thing right now, so I fool no artist. I mean, I took nothing from the man, like they say. One of the new big artists them, quote unquote, run the place. So I don't know, I'm a little YouTuber, so. Who am I if tell the people them say, this sound like when you listen to chalk, I draw against a chalkboard. Now the song him call himself termite boy. And I say, him even call out little YouTuber. Who knew we'd live to see the day an artist, own a name given to him by a little YouTuber. But Skeng must say he's termite boy. And him can even claim this. Just like every other artist claim who them powered and with gang them do something. Because them know say no matter how much they admit the crimes, they literally put details of crimes. They literally tell us, do this to the boy and do something. And I saw it actually go down in real life. And they nothing because them know say the world class investigators them can't put the puzzle together. Either them can, either them no want to be. So it's gotten to the stage where them start mock. But just like with a picnic, and picnic realize that them parents are where them start mock you. Start to keep a fool. You tell them something. You know, take up the something off of the ground. And the picnic's like, no. And what? Where you go? Take it for fool. But we've seen this before. This is nothing new. Right? Nothing new. What Skeng do? What them new artists do? A long time since we've seen it. Right? A million times before. Artists are part of the gang, fund the gang. I use the gang to kill people, call the Dan name and say, man, the Danner. At this point, it's dancehall SOP, standard operating procedure. But the thing is, when I would talk about them things, I was saying, Skeng at my boy, the fans them, run come, you chat too much, you bad mind, you don't know nothing, you have a couple things to get views, and then the artists come out come say, me I tell my boy. And the artists come out come say, tap banks, whole place. And then the artists come out come say, and the artists come out come say, and the fans, the groupies, look stupid, but they don't own up to the stupidity. Just change it back around and say, okay, but just the man have more girl than you. The artists are claim it. And the fans them I say, me I try to look up for the artists them I say. Because the artists them know what them I do. And the fans them I try deal it to the little YouTuber and the PIA. As if them things say validation from celebrities mean something to you. The day an artist give you some validation, it would be like the most important day in your life. But that don't mean nothing to you. That's not where we take joy out of life. Them think they're frivolous, man. And by the way, from the movement Rise Up, how many of these quote-unquote big artists you see take shots off of the little YouTuber? Aren't these people superstars? You don't find that strange? Like when since artists used to even look down upon other artists and say we don't even acknowledge the existence of other artists. Now they might diss up YouTubers. And this YouTuber in particular, maybe they know something their fans don't. Maybe it's because them say what we say over here stuff on the PIA. A venom in it like a cobra. Poison them. But the poison will kill you. And the poison will make you feel uncomfortable. There's about, at this point, most people on YouTube are 1,000, 1 million, who knows. But them always seem to zero in on the PIA. I'm not wanting to think so, right? It's like the entire industry against the movement. You have artists who rate the PIA and support the PIA, or reason with more time, and just throwing a load up certain things. Because I say some people take validation from them things, so them love to tell, oh yeah man, the artist they link me and show me serum, go say yeah man, I'm the man, I go so. We don't even talk about that. Reason that man, just reason that man like that. Unless that person wants to try to turn around and use that to sabotage the movement, then not different. But listen to this song, I realize the whole heap of pill them and substances where Skeng take no completely wipe out the whole of sense them yet. He have a little bit left. Because he's not speaking as reckless as he could. He's not speaking as reckless as certain people. For example, the Doppelbot DJ, Iclonia, aka Puss in Boots. Now he was reckless. After all, let's not forget this moment.
Camera, I tell them about he say and she say and fuck lad. Yo, we are not tell me say so peace, man.
A million YouTubers, but him choose to call out the local YouTuber. And I said it's so strange on the fans them see, I look hype up, I manager I get. Look hype, I hear a DJ go up on stage to call YouTuber name. That clown, Iclonia, with the big red boot, went on a stage show and called out a YouTuber. This, the brother is pathetic. Never forget what he said. Never forget how he wanted my family to plan funeral. And him end up plan one. Right, the man when they on stage I laugh with the two of them, You know, blood man. What happened to Iclonia, youth? I wouldn't wish it for my worst enemy. No pitney no deserve that. The kids are innocent. But you now go on like say, this brother here was some humanitarian traveling around the world and that reach him. What you want to talk about? Dead? But you don't sound to treat the world dead and dead. Like it's a PlayStation or an Xbox. Like we don't know where it truly comes with, so that's why sometimes when we get certain reminders of what death look like and feel like. If we want to talk about what happened to governor's family and what happened to Pussy Boot family, what about my family? What he was wishing for me, that is what would have happened to my family. What happened to him and him sidekick, governor. But that you groupies only care about celebrity and DJ and politician pitney. People wouldn't think cosmetic. But what about the rest of the country? You know what I talk about? So tragic what happened to him family. So tragic what happened to this and tragic what happened to that. And the pain. Oh, so them alone can feel pain. A DJ alone can feel pain. Celebrities and politicians alone can feel pain. People with big title alone can feel pain. What happened to the rest of the country? The same pain? Or the same pain my family feel? The clown them wish dead for me and they drop on them. And I go like when they never see that. Cause them a quote unquote celebrity when they give them a pass. But I pray for you. You don't even pray for your neighbor. You don't even pray for your own relatives them. You're a part-time humanitarian. And I found a laugh in time Nigel did. And I found a laugh when I hear the man say me for dead. So when I'm a humanitarian, we don't care about Nigel mother. We don't care about my family. You find that a joke. You take death for your joke but we not laugh now. What are the odds two dopey bat DJ would be on the stage at the same time I chant dead and a little YouTuber and then two of them lose them loved ones on the same day? Ask anybody who calculate odds for work that out for you. You're more likely to be struck by lightning than that happening, and it happened. So Skeng not as reckless as Pussy in Boots. But Iclonia, we're not talking about pain. The pain he feels now is what he wanted my family to feel. The pain he feels now is the same pain Nigel mother feel. From day one, I've been 10 toes down. In front of all fan base, no care the artist be. I've never pandered or wavered in front of no artist fan base. And them are the most popular people in the country. Death is no joke. Iclonia. I bet you stop laughing now. Just remember the name Nigel Walford. Remember with your friend name. With people when you sit down and laughing. So Skeng, you have little sense. Not as reckless as you could be. But me tell you, they said there's a next video. Remember one time Skeng and him? Big excitement and people that say, they think them on the business one, them on the little police. Alright, man, showing that video. But I can see him rolling in front of Village Road Police. Check this out. Look on him body language. Look on Skeng body language. Batman Skeng. Bar with termite top bounce. Beer rifle. On him body language. Shoulders dropped. Chest tucked in. Looking like a schoolboy. In front of him daddy. He looks like a pitney binks. And your father call you. Come here, you think say there's something wrong? I say gone over. Come on. Look a book back on him back. All he need now and car keys suit. Skeng don't weigh 100 pound weight, you know. Skeng don't weigh 100 pound weight. Or if you put one big oversized Timberland on his foot and soak him in the water, he don't weigh 100 pound, you know. But that Iron Man and he turn up next to the Clansman them and to them have them gun. And People them now none, so people take that from them. Skeng a schoolboy. Why him not kick down the Yankee police? Police can't talk to certain artists. No cure respectful the police. Even the police is like, good evening, we just yo, what the you the kid man talk. So now you comply. You not comply, you not yard man, you not bad man. You not comply with what's king. Now you might say, but a Yankee police, them police are not like JC, them police they're nice and respectful. Nice and respectful, you know not that about Yankee police. Yankee police they kick you down faster than JC. As soon as camera phone and them thing there, why Yankee police no go on certain way again. Or because certain through them see what go on with the judge fight and them case, that's why certain things eat up. Yankee police kick you down faster than JC police. Them and they will kick you in your belly, tease you, right, kneel in your neck, thump in your mouth, right, several times, right, and give you that shot just for good measure. No, or Yankee police. This idea about Billy Joe police nice and friendly, nobody tell you that. Them man in a run joke, find them man they give you an order, right. When you comply, just know the things that get real serious for you. Right. You're lucky if you buck up in the 1 and 2 walk on them. I say a smartphone save enough people. Because nowadays people realize, well, if you put on the phone and shoot, you know, the Billy Joe police now want to see another giant fella or something like that, so them might hold it down. Right. But nobody thinks NYPD, right, mean nice Yankee police department. Right, that's a myth. So nobody about the core respectful. No, because Skeng respectful, the policeman none of need to deal with him certain way on top of that. But Skeng immediately comply. Only not immediately comply with JCF. Policeman say, oh, what you do? And him say, no, nothing, officer. JCF say, what you do? I say, yo, don't ask me a question, yo, you hear me in the Babylon, boy. You put your hand in the money like you. Put him in front of him. Good afternoon, officer. I was just casually strolling down the street. Clansman, I've never heard of it. No, man, not like that. So this bad man artist pull up everywhere. Do what he want to do. Who he want to do in the Iron Man. Wild and can't him. Iron Man people just say them not giant line up at the American embassy. Iron Man people say them not wait for nobody. Wait up at the American. But then just put them in front of Mr. Joe. Man not talk about them wild and can't tame. Are you an animal? Where you need taming for? And if so, you look like we know who can tame. That's King. The music has descended into self-hate and buffoonery. It wasn't always like that. There was a time when it was substance. I mean, let's get something straight. There was always various, so even within dancehall, right, there was the dancehall with a whole heap of substance and value. And then there was always like the gimmicks artists, and there was always the badman artist, and there was always the gallus artist. The difference is now the music has descended to a stage where the one form of the quote-unquote art has completely take over. That the artists make, that the people them want here. But I think the artists like Skeng are not new enough. The way my semi-new, like the pop, the money and things are new, but the acidity was always there. But there was always something else to balance it out. So while you have the gun tune around this, at the same time, you have a culture song just as hot. And you have like a lovers rock song just as hot. And you have like some girlish tune just as hot. And it was like, it was more balanced though. No, one farmer dominant. But let's call it what it is. This is self-hatred and buffoonery masquerading as art. Remember, the artists who tell us that it's just words, it's just entertainment. But their own actions say otherwise. But check the people who own these big record companies. They don't look like Skeng. They don't look like Beanie Man. They don't look like Bounty Killer. People actually own these record companies. They say, you know the artists I say? Them say, let him alone, it's just words. So them say, Mr. Artist, they can say kill Informa. kill the baby. That's fine, it's just words. Them say Mr. Artist, you can call woman any name under the sun, it's just art. Let's call this one the tale of the two B words. So there's two B words. One of them, one B word is used to label woman, and the next one is used to label sprat. One of those words is art, the other one is hate. Who not find that funny? You can literally say anything about woman, you know. Even and even mind people who claim to them woke, claims they love woman, you know, but who knows they love sprats more. Because you can call a woman anything in the music, especially a black woman, you can call him anything in the music. Any name under the sun. By the way, one of your favorite artists them might talk about the Bashko version of Malcolm X. Buju Banton. Just don't understand my time. Remember, he went on his knees and surrendered to Sprats. Because him said, boom, bye bye, hurt people. Hurt feelings and all kind of things. It's still hurt. It hurts and it offends. The man tell us that them can't say this because it incites. You know, TOK said them stop singing chichi man. Hurts people. Have you ever heard Buju apologize to the witness? Come say, listen, everybody who's ever been a witness on a case and everybody who's ever quote unquote informed. Holy bastard, the man have offend people. When since artists care about offending people, artists offend everybody. Right? If you don't look good, if you're broke, if your clothes cheap, artists offend people every single day. Artists offend man who can't get girl. Artists offend man who can't spend more than 5 minutes on the eagle eye. Artists offend man who eat eagle eye. Artists offend man who don't have money. Artists offend people every day, you know. That's basically music, mocking people. You're bored, man. You have to go back fist. This is artists offend people every day. But only one group of people pain and care about, and that is the Sprat community. We don't find that strange. You must say enough woman was offended when time Buju dropped the song and say some girl under them body jar black. So them go buy a Nadinola. Remember that? Enough woman was offended. Why then under body jar black then enough people was offended by them lyrics then. But them lyrics say it's okay, that's just towards women. Or towards Sprats, him fell upon his knees and threw him on wide open. Bashko version of Malcolm X. But because him know only gullible and simple. 4 feet same me. Why are the Sprats feelings so important? I miss the music offend everybody. DJs diss, mock everybody. These are puppets and clowns masquerading as revolutionaries. If Informa Fideli's art, if what Skeng them talk about his art, if Pop the Mali and this and that is art, Mr. Record label owner, Mr. Big. Alright, me accept what you say them things are art. So make the artist say, fire shot pan sprat. Make the artist say something bad about the Jewish community. Make the artist say something bad about this. Excuse, that is homophobic. That is anti-Semitic. Cancelled. It's words. It's just words. It's entertainment. It's art. Their own actions prove say them knows the words. Right? It's more than just words. Skeng. Things that Skeng push, they're still to Skeng push. Them knows that them things lead to and contribute to social decay. It's not all Skeng's fault. It's not all the DJ them fault. Society as a whole is acidic, but we can't say it's not to do with it. If you were to draw a pie chart and do some percentage, right, there'll be other things where contribute well, right, arguably even more, but it contribute too. People like Skeng can go up on your platform and sing anything you want to sing about certain people and about certain things. And him daddy them, they give him the power to do so. Right. Tell us those words. That's why when him in front time daddy, right, him comply and him behave like that. Remember, killing farmer won't incite violence on witnesses, but kill Sprats will incite violence on the rainbow community. That's A1 logic right there. Skeng, get some help, youth. I understand you're a father now. I mean, say you have more to live for than yourself. Even though you're a termite boy, you know that already. People running and talk to you, and I tell you the real thing. If you quote unquote friend them, now I tell you if you ease up off of the substances, then them are your friend youth. And all them funding and support we get to the Klansman gang. They come back come hurt you in a one-way shape or form. And even if one of you can drop on somebody close to you. That's something people have to understand. Sometimes people do all kind of wickedness on the earth and nothing to them, and people say, boy, look him do this and nothing to him. And when you look on him family and him friends and all him pitting them and be crosses. Sometimes it drop from one generation to the next. We don't have the power to do. Only we want to choose the acidity. So when you get to put it on a little treat and then post on the treat and make it like so a humanitarian. Treat a day and you go into youth at night. That's why we don't worry about what we sip on the social media, but we don't post and want to make people post on that style. So we know what do what. When night time come, we not put rifle and the youth them and and send them for killing the enemies and all kind of things. Full disclosure, take them say they're going to start, I don't know my thing already. Bad mind scammer. An artist. Skeng is an artist. I clone ya. Is an artist. What an artist, I don't know. A straight bad mind turn up. So take them say they're going to start. Anyway, Patreon squad, pick up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.